Ian's just come in with a package from Germany that we sent to our office, care of our office. And one of my patrons, you know who you are. I'm not going to mention your name. You know who you are in Germany. You had got in touch with us and said you wanted to send us something. Send Maxwell something. And we just got it. Ian, what is it?
Grüß Gott, Stefan. Vielen Dank for the box. Look at this.
I know. Look at
box full of superb German chocolates. What they say here, candies. What we say in England, sweets.
Sweets.
I don't know, about 150,000 calories.
Isn't it awesome?
Looking forward to.
Open it up. Show some of it. Now, when
I love coconut.
I know.
And I love
what is it?
bananas.
What's it called? This is German sweets. It comes from Germany.
Oh, it's bananas. Schoko Bananen.
Isn't that something?
Amazing.
Isn't this amazing? Thank you so much.
FRITT. That looks like strawberries and something.
That is so cool. This entire box is filled with sweets. Look from Germany. Oh. This is the coolest thing. This is the coolest thing. Let me tell you. Look at that. Haribo, and look at this. You can't get these in America, but look at it.
I don't think so, Mr. Tom.
No, you can get Haribo, you can get the gummy bears and things, but look, it's in Germany. This is the coolest thing. Oh, you know who you are. Thank you so very much.
Schmeckt.
Ian, now, Ian, when I met you, you could speak German better than that.
Ein bisschen.
Yeah, you could speak German. Go on.
What, in German?
In German.
Well, I have to try and go back to schoolboy German.
Your schoolboy German.
Over 50 years ago.
Yeah,
so
it's almost 60 years ago.
Oh, is it really? Yeah, it is.
Yeah, 60.
I last spoke German in the school when I was 16, so that's nearly 60 years ago.
Yeah.
Look at this beautiful stuff.
Oh my word, this is the coolest stuff. Thank you so much. Oh my word, Maxwell is going to be absolutely thrilled. Oh wow, thank you so much. Look at this. These look like Rice Krispie treats.
Absolutely.
In this country. Oh, that's...
I've got to go,
yeah,
everybody.
you got to go, yeah.
Auf Wiedersehen.
All right.
Stefan.
Yes, thank you so much. See you, Ian. Bye. So this is just unbelievable. Ian had to leave, but I got to call Maxwell. Maxwell!
Yes, Mother.
Maxwell, come here. Look,
Yes.
look.
Well, what is all this stuff?
What does it look like?
Candy. There's more. How much
Isn't that awesome?
candy is in?
You're not eating it all in one?
I know, but
What do you think?
I'm not sharing. Kidding.
You gotta share.
How many pieces of
Candy. Oh my goodness. This is so very kind. Look at this. Oh.
more in there?
What a treat. You gonna...
I think that's just packaging.
Yeah, that's packaging. Oh, isn't it lovely? And we have a lovely letter we're gonna read.
You read it.
Oh, isn't that nice? Oh. Dear Maxwell, dear Jean, Ian, and Maxwell, with this package I send you some typical German sweets. I hope you enjoy them. Thank you for all your videos and letting us into your lives. You are so happy and genuinely kind people. Every time there's a new video, it's like a visit with a friend, especially in these times. Thank you, Jean, for being a great teacher and all, and from doing what you do. I'll see you. All the best. Stay safe and healthy. Yours. Oh, my word. Look at that. What a kind thing.
So some of these we have in America.
I know, but look, I said that.
Of them.
I said that. Look, we have it in America, but what is it? What's the language?
Oh, German.
In German. Isn't that cool? Isn't that the coolest thing? Oh, wow. Thank you so much. This is just so brilliant. Made our day. You're very, very kind, all of you. But this, what a treat. This will last us, Maxwell. This is going to last us for a long time, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Totally.
What are they? Oh, that Daddy picked up these. These are, oh no, toffees.
These are
Toffee. Look, toffee. Oh, that's so cool. Anyway, we got treats for days here, for months, and we thank you so much. Stefan from Germany. Awesome.
I'll eat it all right now.
Yeah, Maxwell's going to eat it. No, you're not. We're going to take it steady. Oh, awesome. Look at that. All right. Thank you so much. Bon appetit. Love you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
So Maxwell's tasting everything. I said, Maxwell, we're going to wait.
I know, but I'm excited, so I'm trying everything.
And what are they?
Chocolate banana.
Chocolate banana. We have nothing like this in America.
Chocolate banana.
Let me have a taste of that one.
Literally, just chocolate banana.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. We have nothing like this in America. These are unreal. Daddy would like that.
I guess Germans have some better candy.
They do.